There were some news reports yesterday evening that IIM Bangalore might be conducting CAT 2016. And of course, whenever a news like this slips out, students go into a tizzy and try to predict the paper based on the analysis of the institute, which probably I think is a waste of time. Institutes will have a broad philosophy, and based on that broad philosophy, it's tough to exactly predict the paper. Not to mention that, I mean, an institute does not have a full free hand, right? They will have a board out of the IIMs which will make suggestions about the paper, about what kind of people they require, and how best that those qualities can be teased out from the CAT paper. The next question, of course, and which is a perpetual question with CAT takers, is what about the mocks? When do I start? And I personally have always felt that there is no time too early to start for the mocks. Should start ASAP. Why? Because the mocks are not there to show how good you are. The mocks are there to understand how bad you are. I mean, if I was already good and confident, and if I have good students, I don't recommend, sometimes don't even recommend them taking the mocks towards the end. It's chill. Right? You go to a mock to understand your weakness. Even if you go there and sit there for 3 hours and do nothing and stare at the screen, that is an education in itself. Hopefully for the next few days you will feel psyched out and study, or you will just give up. Either way, it's good for you. Look at another goal. If you don't even have a single strength area in this particular examination, then you should be looking at something else to do in life. This leads to the next question, is which mock should I be doing? And the answer is simple. It really doesn't matter. Whether you pick up a CL or a time or an IMS, the idea here is that you are expected to beat all the other people who take this mock. So it doesn't really matter. You're being judged on percentiles, you're being judged on ranks. Try to understand that about the CAT. It does not judge you on raw score. It judges you against people. This is the life that you've got into. You got into a rat race. You got to be the smartest and fastest rat of them all. That's all, right? However, if you are a person who easily gets demotivated instead of getting motivated by failure, then I would suggest start off with a CL. They have by far, I think, the best balanced papers. If you're a guy or girl, of course, who's really, really good, I would suggest time then, because it will really throw some great challenges at you and put pressure on you. And if you're looking for some awesome verbal, then definitely IMS is one place to go. Their content development team is the best for verbal, I would say. Very, very good verbal stuff. So just go ahead, pick up one mock. And the final question is, how many mocks? And the answer is as many as you can analyze. Don't just buy mocks. They are not onions and potatoes that you can keep at home. You need to cook those onions and potatoes as well. You need to do the analysis. If you don't have time for analysis, don't buy mocks. You will not improve unless you go to the next mock after having thoroughly analyzed the previous one. All the very best.